Hi, this is Yumika with Gathered, and as you might know, Luba and I are posting individual videos because we live so far away from each other, and also because of the lockdown, which I'm sure a lot of you are also experiencing. Lately I've been feeling like I wanted to find some way to help, contribute in some way, but still respecting, of course, the lockdown. I recently found this great Google Doc that was created by the people over at Hello Stitch, which is a sewing space and teaching space over in the East Bay. Definitely check them out. They're really a great sewing business. Anyways, they created this Google Doc that there are links to tutorials for DIY masks, as well as a list of hospitals throughout California, and it might even be out of state, hospitals and organizations that are accepting homemade masks, and instructions on how you can deliver those safely. So we'll add the links down below. I really recommend making these masks. I think it's a small part that we can contribute and help all of the nurses and doctors who are out there and fighting this fight. So this particular mask that I chose to make is the AB mask, and it was designed by a nurse. She designed it specifically to fit over the N95 mask. And this, of course, will hopefully help them protect those precious few masks that they have. And it's washable. She did a great job on the design. On the link below, you'll find instructions as well as a pattern. So I hope this will be helpful in showing you how to put it together. Okay, thanks. Thank you for joining me in this so long. And if you have any comments, we'd love to hear from you. If you liked the video, please click the thumbs up button. See you next time.